what, Sangkay Janjan, why can't you just delete that post, what you did to Mrs. Annie Gill? Here's my accusations against both of you, Sangkay Janjan TV and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, both of you. What both of you wrong with Mrs. Annie Gill, the mother of David Gill, You know what, Sangkay Janjan, last 2020, you red tagging her as an NPA. Do you think that Mrs. Annie Gill was also in the province? You know, she's not an NPA, all right? She never used a firearm. She's not a communist. You, Sangkay Janjan, with all due respect, you know, I am gone very angry at you, Sangkay Janjan. When I upload this YouTube blog, by the way, why are you trying to harass Mrs. Annie Gill? You know, I am just gonna say to you, Sangkay Janjan, you know what, Sangkay? You need to apologize to Mrs. Annie Gill. Look at Jordan Bunagan, my arch enemy, He apologized to David Gill and his family members, And you need to apologize, Sangkay. Even you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, you also should apologize to David Gill and his family member, Mr. Dennis Gill, Mrs. Annie Gill, and Gerard Gill. You know, Sangkay Janjan, how many people that you bully? You bully the Duterte supporters while you're supporting Bongbong Marcos. And you know what, Sangkay Janjan, you keep making saying, I love Bongbong Marcos. You're just like Kuya Kopio. You know, Sangkay Janjan, if I say to you in Tagalog words, humingi ka ng sorry kay Annie Gill, to Mrs. Annie Gill, because, you know, for what you had just made, humingi ka ng pasensya sa kanya, because for what you made, you know, you did it to her, you bully her reputation. You know what, Sangkay Janjan, people, David Gill and his family members are claiming me I was involved. You are involved, Sangkay. You know, Sangkay Janjan, people are unsubscribing you in your stupid YouTube video. Million. Especially Mang Manny, who was my fellow Duterte supporter. He unfollow Sangkay Janjan in YouTube blog. You need to learn about your lesson, Sangkay. You know what, Sangkay? For what you have done to Mrs. Annie Gill, you need to pay for all of your consequence. What you made. For what you just made, you need to face your consequence. You know, if you say that to David Gill's dad or Gerard Gill, if you claim them if they're NPA, Sangkay Janjan, they will sue against you. They will file the cases against you because for what you did to David Gill and his family. Remember that, Sangkay. Sangkay Janjan, you need to apologize to Mrs. Annie Gill. This is really offended and cyberbullying. Do you know, Sangkay Janjan, cyberbullying is a misunderstanding? You don't really know about cyberbullying, Sangkay Janjan. If you don't really how to apologize, Sangkay Janjan, I will shoot you a pellet gun in your eyes, Sangkay. You know that, Sangkay Janjan. You need to apologize to David Gill and his mother. Oh, you need to apologize to Mrs. Annie Gill. Last 2020, you harassed her. Last 2020, you harassed David Gill. Is this what you think it is, Sangkay? Sangkay, Jan TV official. Where is your proof that you bash Mrs. Annie Gill? Where's your evidence? David Gill and his family are planning to get those evidence. They will file the cases against you, Sangkay Jan. You better be together with Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Both of you are idiots. Both of you are assholes. Teacher Alex, Adria Pagkalinawan, and Sangkay Jan.